Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel all of you. Today let's discuss about when we have a series of the cash flow including uneven and even cash flow, and by knowing the discount rate how we are going to find the total present value, or we can say that total discounted value. And I believe that whatever I discussed today, that would enrich your understanding level of your by using the time value of money, how we could find the total present value, and accordingly you could apply in your business, your if you are a study, then you could solve the question in the examination also. Okay, based on this background, let's discuss the first of all given information. At first you need to organize your whole given information, like expected cash inflow from the investment that has undertaken in the time period 0. Remember, when we are investing now, that is noted by in finance, that's a time period 0, t equals to 0, and which causes 2 lakh and the 1,50,000 for the next 2 years. Okay, while then expected annuity payment is the 1 lakh for the next 8 years. So we can say that altogether we have a your time period is the 10 years total. If the discount rate is 10%, then what would be your total discounted value of the cash flow, or you can say the total present value. At first you need to organize your given information and try to draw the cash flow timeline, like your cash flow is there, this is the time. What I do here, simply 2 lakh is the 1.5 lakh, then after this is the 1 lakh. Okay, this is given in the lakh. Now to solve this question, at first you could organize your given information in the table, like your first column is the year, second column is the cash flow, third column is the PVIF, or you can see here just present value factor. This is the third column, and the last column is the discounted value. Then next one is that this is first year 2 lakh, second year 1,50,000, then thereafter up to 10, that is the 1 lakh. Then how you are going to solve the questions? Then look at your, this is the cash flow. Then what about the PVIF factor 10% 1 year? Okay, since this is the case of first and first year and second year is the case of uneven cash flow. That's so we don't have the equal cash flow. I mean to say that simply you can say, look at your discounted factor, that is the present value interest factor 10%. So first year is the 0.909, that's a 0.909. Then what about the second case? Second year is the 10%, that is 0.826. 0.826. Next case is that after second year, then that means 3 to 10 there is the equal cash flow is there. So in that case you could solve the question directly by just taking the reference of present value interest factor annuity, that is the annuity table, and equation is this one. But anyway you could use directly formula here, 10% is, then overall life is the here 6.145. I have already noted here 6.145. But remember friends, I need this factor value 3 to 10. Then logically what you do here, simply you can say that 6.145 minus, if you exclude this one from this value, then you will get this factor value. Okay, then what would be the discounted value? Individually you need to calculate first of all, like a 2 lakh into this. Then if you follow the same process, individually also you will get the same value here, 1,50,000 into this factor, and the last one is that 1 lakh. You already calculated this factor. Okay, then what about the total present value? Total discounted value, that is the sum is, this is the, look at the 17 to, this is 18 to 20. Okay, if you just enter it, you will get the value, that is just 7,46,700 friends. I mean to say that you could solve the questions different in a different way, but logically you need to understand here what I did here. In first year PBIF, second year PBIF, but this is the case of 3 to 10. Then at first you need to find PBIF at 10% 10 year, and then exclude 6.145 minus this value minus this value, and this way you could find 4.41, and accordingly when you multiply 2 and the 3, that will provide you simply discounted value. So accordingly, you can say that that is the 7,46,700 is our discounted value, friends. Okay, friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and also share this channel. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care.